folks. I'm just doing a real quick video here. I'm doing a video on, actually I saw a video and it was on the making a chicken, real quick, fresh chicken in the pot, the Instant Pot. Let me show you. That's an Instant Pot. I got it plugged in. I'm gonna set it. I've got a chicken here in the sink. I just bought this chicken at Aldi. There's the chicken. It's just one of their basic chickens. It says young chicken, and it's almost 6 pounds. Cost me $8. So what I'm going to do is just, when I cook my turkeys, I always put the breast down. I know it looks prettier when the breast's up, but I want the fat from the back, let me show you, to drip on it. So I put it in like that, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to cheat a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit of organic free-range chicken broth, just to give it a little bit of flavor. Okay, so it's plugged in. I've got the chicken in there, and I'm going to add, instead of water, I'm going to add the chicken broth to the bottom, just so it's not sitting on the bottom of the pot. And I'm going to pour it right over it so it gets it a little flavor. There we go. While I'm doing that, look at my cute little, napkin. It says, some mornings, you know it's going to be a wine early tonight. A friend of mine gave me that. That's so cute. I love it. Okay, so we've got that, and now we're going to, this is the seasonings that I put on. This is the same that I do for my turkey. I do a little bit of, this is just garlic and parsley, a little, this is salt, a little tiny bit, this is a little pepper, and then what I do is I add a little bit of, this is called poultry seasoning, just a tad, just to give it, that's what I do for my turkey. Okay, so now we're going to put the cover on it. Okay, I have it locked. You have to make sure it's locked. See? You slide it this way, you slide it this way. So it says, really make sure this matches here, closed. You don't want it to say open. You want it to say closed. And then you make sure this is set so it's airtight. Okay, you're in business. Now, we're gonna set it. I'm gonna do it for 60 minutes. And we're gonna start, and we're gonna set it 60 minutes. Okay? And then I'll let you know when it's finished. I'm just showing you as it's going, and it's got 47 minutes left. I started out at 60. So, and it's going to town. Okay, it just said it was over, it's ending. So what you do then is you take this valve and you're gonna pull the valve like this, whoops, and it'll let it out. You can't tell, but it lets the steam out. There we go. And then you got to relieve the pressure. And when it's all done, then we'll open it up. Okay, we're We're going to open it up. You got to go to where it says close, and then you're going to slide it to where it says open. Open. And then cock the top. Ooh, that's hot. Gotta be careful you don't burn yourself like I just did. And there it is, the finished product. Ooh, it's hot. Let's double check. Boy, I burned my arm. Gotta be very, very careful. Let's see if it's tender. Ooh, look at that. Just falls off the bone. Wow. So cool. I'll let you see the finished product when I pull all the bones. And this is the meat that was left in it. It's beautiful. And there it is. All cleaned out. And I'm making some gravy and some stuffing. I have to throw the stuffing in. And here, to go with it, some stuffing, some gravy, and mashed potatoes. Thanks for viewing. I hope you enjoyed my Instapot recipe.